viewers, welcome to my channel Traveling and Learning. This is the technical part of my channel. This part contains documentaries on economics, research methods, and statistics. In this documentary, I will explain the law of supply. So, what is law of supply? The law of supply states that other thing remains same as the price of a commodity rises, its supply also rises. As the price fall, supply contract. Thus, supply and price of a commodity have direct positive relationship. That is, the higher the price, larger will be supply and vice versa. Supply says that as the price of an item goes up, suppliers will attempt to maximize their profit by increasing their number of items for sale. For this reason, the supply curves is always upward sloping because over a time supplier can choose how much they are good to produce, later bring to market at a given point in time. Here you can see a supply schedule. On the left side we have a price and on the right side we have quantity. So when there is a less price, there is a less quantity. When the price increases, the quantity also increases. The same supply schedule can be graphically viewed. You can see here the graph. As the price is low, the quantity is also low. And you can see here on the y-axis we have price, and the x-axis we have supply. And you can see here that the supply curve is always going upward. So you can see here that when the price is 1, the units are 6, but when the price is 6, the units become 35. So the price and the supply varies directly. Higher the price, more is the supply, and vice versa. There are certain exceptions to the law of supply. It is the same like the supply demand law. The exceptions applies also to supply law. So these circumstances, if prevails, then the supply law will not hold true. It means that the price of a commodity and its supply may not move in the same direction. Thus, the exception to the law of supply are as follows: closure of the business, agricultural products, monopoly, competition, perishable goods, rare goods, and out of fashion goods. What are the reasons that when if this condition prevails, the law of supply may not hold true? When a business is closed or it is at the verge of closure, the seller may sell the goods even at the low price. So in this way, it, it is something opposite to the law of supply. In case of agriculture products, we have a land uh, which is a limited resource, and thus agriculture produce cannot be increased beyond the certain level. In case of a monopoly or in case of a pure competition, in monopoly there is a single seller and he has or the she has the control over the prices, while in the pure competition the seller may sell more quantity of goods even at low prices. This is a situation where law supply will not apply. In case of perishable goods, these are those goods which can perish earlier or in a less time. So even they can be sold at lower price because if remain unsold, they will go wasted. In case of rare goods, the artistics are precious goods, what we call rare goods. The supply of these goods cannot be increased according to their demand or rising prices. When out of fashion goods are considered, then they have high prices, although their quantity is low.